Hi guys, in the previous video we learned about unordered list, and now in this video we gonna talk about ordered list. For creating an ordered list we use the old tag, also the lead tag inside of it to create the items of our list. I want put a header for my list, my daily routine. And I start to write my routine list. As you see, when I save my file, there are numbers behind each of what I wrote is my list, which it shows that orders are matter in this list. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.